Damn, is that good? Oh my god. Tonight for dinner, I'm making a cheesy potato taco casserole. Okay, I'm going to start by cutting up some potatoes in bite-sized pieces. Then I'm going to coat them in some olive oil, some pepper, some salt, and some clubhouse garlic powder. I will have the recipe below for you. And we give them a stir. Set that aside. All right, in a hot greased pan, I'm gonna add a pound of ground beef, a quarter of an onion, and a big scoop of minced garlic. And I'll just fry all this up. All right, now we're gonna add a package of, open it with your teeth, package of Old El Paso taco seasoning. Then fill the package with some water, like that, and add it in. And give it a stir. Now I'm gonna add a can of cream of chicken soup. I would add cream of mushroom soup because there's more flavor to it, but some of you don't like the cream of mushroom soup, so I'm just adding this for you. A half a cup of sour cream. And we will give this a stir until it's nice and creamy. Now this meal is perfect for making it ahead. Like I'm making this at, 12 o'clock, but we're not gonna eat dinner till about 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna make this 90% of the way, and then I'm gonna cover it and put it in my fridge until dinner time. All right, now we're gonna add our potatoes to a greased casserole dish. Spread them around a bit. Then we're gonna pour our meat mixture right over the potatoes. Smooth it out, covering all the potatoes so they'll cook nicely. Like that. Now at this point, I'm going to top it with some cheese. And then I will put a cover on it until I'm ready to cook. So I'm going to be going to work, so when I get back from work, I will continue this. So stick around. All right, back from work, and I'm ready to stick this in the oven. So I'm just gonna take the lid off. And I'm gonna bake this at 400 degrees for about 50 minutes, and then we'll check the potatoes. I'm actually gonna cover this with foil, so I keep all the heat inside. All right, this has been in the oven for about 55 minutes. Potatoes look like they're cooked. I'm going to add more cheese, and then I'm going to put it under the broiler for about probably 2 to 3 minutes. Honestly, it smells really good. I kind of just came up with this recipe because it has everything that I love in it. Now we're going to stick it back in there until it's nicely browned. And we will leave it uncovered. I'll be back. Wow, look at this, guys. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is such a great make-ahead meal. Potato, cheesy potato, lots of cheese, potato, and taco bake casserole. That's crazy. I'm gonna let it cool before I try it. Let's have a taste. Hopefully it's cooled off enough. Oh my gosh. Okay, I actually didn't even taste this yet, like I always taste it. I didn't taste it at all. So here it goes, nothing. Ooh, the potatoes are nicely cooked. Now, like I said, I haven't made this before, so it might be ending up in the garbage. It's not the prettiest looking meal, but let's see. Damn, is that good? Oh my god. I don't need pretty if it's this good. Wow. You guys have definitely got to make this. It's amazing.